Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. I'm wondering, what climate do you live in? Do you live in the desert? Do you live in the mountains? Do you live by the beach? Now you gotta figure what is the best window for your climate. Let's get into that. Whatever area you live in, and now you're thinking, well, what's the best possible window for my area, right? Maybe you live in Wyoming, where it gets cold in the winter, but pretty warm in the summer. Or maybe you live in the desert, in Arizona, really blistering hot. It's dry heat, but it's still blistering hot. Or perhaps you live by the ocean, right? And so you need to figure what types of windows are gonna be better for you. There are different window manufacturers that are in different locations in America or out of America. And they all have their different techniques for whatever type of climate you live in. Now, if you're in Montana or you're in the northern areas like Wisconsin, places where it gets pretty blistering cold, there are windows, the way they actually strategize the glass itself, instead of like in California where we have the LowE towards the outside pane of the window because the sun, we want to actually reject coming into the house. The LowE is the first thing, one of the first things that it actually hits. In Wisconsin and other areas like that, they'll actually take the LowE coating and they'll flip the glass unit and they'll actually put it to where it's closest to the inside. Why would they do that? The reason why is because what they're really trying to do is trap the heat inside the house, right? So when it's really cold outside, and it gets cold, it could be negative 15 degrees outside and it is very cold, but you still have sun. So the sun is still providing rays. You want the sun, the energy from the sun to get through the glass into the house and be retained. That's what the end goal is. Now you don't want that in Arizona. Arizona, where it's 115 degrees outside, right? That is hot. You're looking for the LowE coatings to be towards the outside, right? So in between the panes, but on the outside pane, if that makes any sense to you. Now, what you're gonna see as far as performance and different LowEs, you're gonna be getting the highest LowE performances out there. But the thing is that any of these dealerships that sell windows and install them for you in these regions, well, they already know what is needed for that region. This video is simply to tell you that, listen, not all windows are made to, equally. And by that, I simply mean the strategy, the way they're built for specific climates. So just know that, hey, there's different windows for different regions. That's really what it comes down to. That's the end game here. For us in California, vinyl is a hot seller. It's hot in a lot of places because it's such a great insulator. What we typically use is 3 layers of LowE argon gas, and that is that's across the board, unless you need something a little bit more aggressive. And then you can go into that because California has mountains, it has oceans, it has valleys that get hot, it has deserts, areas where it can get very, very cold in Northern California. So we get a little bit of everything out here. So the window manufacturers out here are looking to appease all of that. Anyways, so much goes into windows. Always do your homework, ask a lot of questions whenever you're talking about getting windows, get multiple bids, and you'll be fine. Okay guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.